Как поездка? Разговор путешественника. Продолжаем. Ха-ха, а я не помню. Вы. Дальше. Опоздали вы. Ру. Вы. Вы ми. Мисс. 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 Нет. Мисс. Мисс. Угу. Our. На наш. Train.
We missed our train.
We missed our train. Так. Не было Wi-Fi. Так, где тут Wi-Fi? There was no Wi-Fi. There was no Wi-Fi.
There was no Wi-Fi. The train was 10 minutes late.
The train опоздал на поезд. Поезд опоздал.
The train was 10 minutes late.
Late. Позже. The train was 10 minutes late. Ой, забыла. Так. Поездка произошла хорошо. Спокойно. Так. Нет, это late. Вот это опоздал. Late. Это train conductor. Нет. It went smoothly. It went smoothly. Тут туалет. Это опоздал. Train conductor. Наверное, smoothly. Smoothly.
It went smoothly.
Smoothly. It went smoothly. Так. Мы заказали билеты. Out. We reserve, не помню, our seats.
We reserved our seats.
Reserved.
The train was on time.
The train is on time. Пришел вовремя.
The train was on time.
The train was on time. Smoothly. Smoothly. We. Наверное, the. Smoothly. Нет. It. Дальше. It. The. Нет. With. It with. Нет. It went. It went smoothly. It went.
It went smoothly.
Была.
We bought our tickets online. We bought our tickets online.
Our ticket online. It. Помню. Потом where. Или S. Where. Went. It went. Smooth. Smooth. Наверное, нет. Smooth. Smooth. Что smooth? Smooth. Smooth. И в конце Y. А что перед ней? Smooth. Наверное, H. L. Y. Smoothly. Точка.
It went smoothly.
Smoothly. We reserved our seats.
We reserved our seats.
Reserved. We reserved our seat. Мы забронировали места. Так, туалет не работает. The toilet was out or of order. The toilet was
The toilet was out of order.
out of order. Задела.
The train was almost empty.
The train is almost empty. Почти пустой.
The train was almost empty.
Empty train. The train. We missed our train. Догадаться не могла. Missed.
We missed our train.
We missed our train. Мы опоздали на поезд. Так. It went smoothly. It went smoothly.
It went smoothly.
Поездка была спокойная. The toilet was out of order.
The toilet was out of order.
The toilet was out of order. Так, проверяют билеты. Он проверяет. He. He can. He. Ticket. He. Куда ж пойти-то? Пойдешь налево. See. А вот просканировал. See. Scanned. Or наши tickets. Нет, tickets.
He scanned our tickets.
He scanned our tickets. Он просканировал наши билеты. То есть проверил. Train. Поездной кондуктор. Conductor. Train conductor.
Train conductor.
Conductor.
The train was packed.
В пакетах все. The train was
packed.
packed. The toilet was out of order. Был закрыт. Ой.
The toilet was out of order.
Order. Так, это он опоздал. Так, the train. The train. Train was. Был. 10 minutes. Me. Minutes late. The train was
10 minutes late.
позже на 10 минут. Train conductor.
Train conductor.
Train conductor. Просканировал. He. Scanned. Наши. Or tickets.
He scanned our tickets.
He scanned our tickets. Пришел вовремя. The train was. Ну, хорошо. Вот сюда on time. Нет? On time. Да. On time.
The train was on time.
The train was on time. The train. Ой, the train was packed.
The train was packed.
Packed. Мы опоздали. Train was almost empty. Нет, это не то. They missed our train. Вот, мы опоздали.
We missed our train.
They missed our train. Продолжаем. The train был packed.
The train was packed.
Packed. The train was packed. It went smoothly. Нет, мы опоздали.
We missed our train.
We missed our train. Мы опоздали на поезд. Теперь the train was 10 minutes late. Вот, пришел.
The train was 10 minutes late. The toilet was out of order.
The toilet was out
The
of
toilet
order.
was out of order.
The train was on time.
The train was on time.
The train
We missed our train.
We missed our train. Мы опоздали.
We missed our train.
Missed. He scanned our ticket. Он отсканировал.
He scanned our tickets.
Our ticket. Мы заказали. Мы купили. Bought. Наши билеты. Ticket. Online. We bought our tickets online. We bought our tickets.
We bought our tickets online.
Our tickets online. There was no Wi-Fi. Да, не было Wi-Fi.
There was no Wi-Fi.
There was no Wi-Fi. Так. It went smoothly. Поездка была спокойной.
It went smoothly.
It went smoothly. The train was packed.
The train was packed. There was no Wi-Fi.
There is no Wi-Fi.
There was no Wi-Fi.
It went smoothly. Поездка была спокойной. Smoothly.
It went smoothly.
The train was almost empty. Нет, это просканировали.
He scanned our tickets.
He scanned our ticket. Так. Вот она была спокойная. С какого начинается? Empty. The. The train was empty. Almost. Empty. Almost. Почти пустой.
The train was almost empty.
Almost. It went smoothly.
It went smoothly.
We missed our train.
We missed our train.
Опоздали на поезд. The train was 10 minutes late. Придет позже.
The train was 10 minutes late. He scanned our tickets.
He scanned our tickets. Он проверил наши билеты.
He scanned our tickets.
Нет, таки просканировал. Он отсканировал. Almost empty.
The train was almost empty. We
Almost.
reserved our seats.
We reserved our seat. Our seat.
We reserved our seats.
We reserved our seat. The train was almost empty. Был почти пустой.
The train was almost empty.
Almost empty. Продолжаем.
The train was 10 minutes late.
The train
The train was 10
10
minutes late.
minutes late. The train was packed. Переполнен.
The train was packed. The train was almost empty.
The train was almost empty. почти пустой. Empty.
The train was almost empty.
Almost empty. The train was on time.
The train was on time.
Был вовремя. Все, ура!